Hey, I just wanted to give you guys a tour of our van. We have it all set up for beach camping right now. So this is what we decided to do. We had a futon, but we were transporting something throughout the travel, and so we decided to opt with an air mattress. So we had the whole thing flat in the back, and then once we unloaded our cargo, then we pumped up this air mattress, and it's just a twin mattress, but Joe and I can make it work just fine. And then also Nala, she has her dog bed, so then at night we just get her bed and put it right here, and she fits perfectly fine here. And then during the day we just pile up all of our pillows and everything and throw it in the corner, and so there's plenty of space to just lounge around if it's hot out, or if we just want to take an afternoon nap or chill in the van. And then up front we have these curtains, so this makes for easy privacy if the front is not already blocked off. But we have the front sun visor on. This is where we store all of our random stuff. We have cooking stuff, backpacks, beach towels, all sorts of good stuff up there. And then in the back, this unveils the throne, the royal camping throne. So you just go over here, and it's a little bit of a tight squeeze for some, but it works fine for me. Just go like this, and there's plenty of space back here. And then we have all of some storage and food, and then we have our refrigerator back here, which just plugs into this hook. And we have our window covers, and that also helps keep out the light and adds privacy. So that's that part. And then right on this side we have our ventilation system. So this allows lots of air to flow in. It also is a little conspicuous, so it's not super obvious to anyone driving by. It just maybe even looks like part of the window. I don't know what people think, but it works. I think it looks cool, and it keeps us cool. Speaking of keeping cool, we have this fan that we plug into some of our battery banks, and that will blow at night if it's just too hot in here. But so far off the side of the beach, there's been such a breeze throughout our time here, and it has been awesome. We haven't even had to use the fan. So yeah, that's pretty much the extent of the tour. Oh, and this up here, this is where we keep all of the privacy, what do you call these again? Window covers. This holds all of the window covers, so when we're driving or we don't want them throughout the day, we'll just throw them up here. Or even the ventilation guys, those go up there too. So it just keeps everything handy up and away. And yeah, that's pretty much it. This is the last thing I wanted to show, and this is your number one most essential item if you're doing beach camping. This will help get all the sand off of everything. It'll help get it off the floor, off your feet before you get in, off your puppy's feet. It's literally a lifesaver. So